All right, so I got my phone scope in tow on my device. So when I have my hand, in the typical distance for my regular videos, it's blurry up until you get right up close. And I found my first most significant find in my wheat cent batch, which came out to about 2,000 pieces, and it's a 1958 repunched mint mark, as you can see right there. Look how crazy this one is. It's not even listed in the cherry pickers guide, so it's kind of it's really surprising that coins like this. There's tip of my mechanical pencil. I don't know if you can see it right there. You can see the repunched mint mark south of the primary mint mark right there, and then you can see the repunching on the inside loop of the D as well. It's pretty incredible, and the shape of the general condition of the coin is actually very well. If I had to guess, probably a high XF. The back is a little bit dark with a little bit of dirt that I might use a little bit of hot water to kind of clean some of that off without using any brush or a cloth, anything that would possibly abrade the surface. But yeah, that's my first significant find that I wanted to share. This is going probably 150, 200 coins into the batch, and this is the first one that popped up. First one that I'll share today. I do have a second one here that I'm going to discuss. It's not really a variety, but it's a coin that comes across not only in these typical type of bags, but in general circulation, regular coins. But anyways, this is I believe this is RPM number 1 for the 1958D. Pretty neat, to say the least. And these are coins that typically would come out of these bags. If you inclined, you want to do a little treasure hunting. Value wise, yeah, the coin sells between $2 and $10. Grade plays a huge part in everything. If it's as good as this, and I can actually do something with the dirt residue on the reverse, it looks like it's superficial, so it should come off with ease. But being careful is paramount in this case. You don't want to lose any of the original patina. You mostly want to do just a soak, well, without applying any friction to the coin. That will create hairlines, and that kills the value almost immediately. But anyways, thank you guys. I will keep you guys updated on more finds. I'm actually doing really well on this one. I have a few others, debating on whether or not I want to show a video, but thanks for watching. All right, like and subscribe, and hit the bell for instant notifications. Thank you much.